If you're concerned about your privacy while using Twitter, enabling a proxy can help mask your IP address and encrypt your connection. It's a great way to browse safely and securely. In this video, I'll show you how to enable a proxy on Twitter. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you should select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings, navigate to Privacy and Safety. Here, scroll down until you see Data Sharing and Ads, and then look for the Proxy Settings option. Simply toggle the button next to Proxy to enable it. Once the proxy is activated, your Twitter account will now use the proxy for better privacy, masking your IP and securing your connection while browsing. This helps protect your data from potential tracking. That's it. Now, you know how to enable a proxy on Twitter to boost your privacy.